Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss most common issues appearing in iPhone 15 phones. At number 1 is iPhone 15 gets way too hot. iPhone 15 users are reporting that the device gets way too hot. Some users are claiming that the phones overheat during taxing mobile gaming sessions. Recording intensive, high-quality 4K video also reportedly causes thermal issues. Many users even say that simply charging the device causes the iPhone 15 to sizzle. Some reports state that the phone gets so hot, it becomes too uncomfortable to hold for a phone call. Overheating issue is likely caused by compromises that were made in the new iPhone 15's thermal design in order to achieve a lighter weight. For now, iPhone users will need to wait to see how Apple will address this. Second most common bug is iPhone to freeze during setup. iPhone 15 launch day, some unlucky iPhone 15 users were stuck in an Apple logo boot up loop while trying to transfer data from their previous iPhone. Luckily though, this is one issue that Apple has already rectified. An iOS update released on launch day fixed the problem for users. New iPhone 15 owners should see the option to upgrade to the new iOS setup. Users who do get stuck in the loop can take a short series of actions to reset their device and upgrade to the new iOS, allowing them to launch setup without a hitch. Third most common bug in iPhone is fingerprint attracting chassis. As mentioned, practically everything we just run down can be fixed or addressed with a software update. But what about issues regarding the chassis? iPhone 15 users have been reporting that the new first up, dirt, fingerprints, and other blemishes are apparently much more common on these new devices. And reason is the titanium body is causing trouble. That's it for today. See you in next video.